The fifth and final step for pointing and peaking a VS1100 ODU is the push-pull test and to review the modem browser interface. The purpose of these tests is to check the accuracy of the first 4 steps of this process. Listen to the tones emitted by the TRIA as you gently push forward and pull back side to side and then top and bottom of the reflector. If the tones rise at all, then the point and peak has failed, and you must restart this process with the preparation step of centering the Azel base plate holes. If the tone dips and then returns to the steady tone with each push or pull, then the point and peak is successful, and we can move indoors to check the modem browser interface. When the push-pull test passes, the installer confirms that the signal strength gauge in the modem browser interface shows its highest level. The signal strength gauge is a comparison of the current receive signal-to-noise ratio readings, the blue bar, and the peak receive signal-to-noise ratio readings, the black line. These 2 readings will be the same when the antenna is correctly pointed and peaked. If the peak RX-SNR extends past the current RX-SNR, then the modem recorded a stronger signal at some point during pointing and peaking. The installer must re-peak the azimuth and the elevation until the settings match. During a challenging installation or during a service call, an installer may wish to restart the point and peak process. This includes 2 important parts. First, the modem's learning. Secondly, the azimuth fine adjust bolt. Resetting the modem's learning clears out what the modem currently knows about its frequency set. To reset the modem, sweep the antenna away from the satellite. The TRIA will emit the heartbeat. Carefully place the inclinometer bracket over the feed horn, avoiding any direct contact with hands or arms on the feed horn. Leave the inclinometer bracket in place for approximately 1 minute. When the bracket is removed, the TRIA emits the bebop tone. It is also necessary to set the Azel fine adjust bolt back to its center. Following the same steps as during the antenna assembly, the right rear azimuth baseplate bolt must be in the center of its slot. Attempting to re-peak the azimuth without recentering may cause unwelcome stress where the fine adjust bolt attaches to the base plates.